Hi, I'm Tom Payne. Welcome to TP Knotweed TV. Come across this absolute gem for you today, so I thought I'd share it with you and also show you all of our spring videos. So this is not a tree. This is giant knotweed. As you can see, it's over 4 meters tall and it's very rare in the UK. This is some of the winter growth left over, and thought I'd show you a bit more detail about this plant species so you've got a bit more knowledge about the plant. So these are the winter canes. Put some on the side. We've got a hollow stem that's left over from the winter months. Now these gradually decompose over the years, but this is one of last year's growth, and the stem is much harder than Japanese knotweed, so it's normally thicker, grows a lot taller. It's like the big brother, and it's also very hard to break these stems. So if I put it, there you go, it needs a bit of force to break it, and that's the stem. It's very similar to bamboo. Okay, put that to one side and I'll show you some of the spring growth we found on the river embankment. So down here we've got some of the new shoots. Now we've just done a Japanese knotweed video. We're on the 1st of April today, and the Japanese knotweed is only very small. It's either a bud or a very small shoot, whereas this giant knotweed is already very large, and the leaves of the plant are actually larger than Japanese knotweed in the height of summer. So these generally grow much larger than your hands, sometimes even larger than your head. So very big plant species, grows up to 4 meters tall or larger, and it's very rare in the UK. So most of you will see a variety of Japanese knotweed, but not normally giant knotweed. But thought it'd be interesting for you to see it. We deal with this in the same way as we deal with normal Japanese knotweed. We have various treatment methods, and if you want us to identify your species of Japanese knotweed, please let us know. You can go onto our website tpknotweed.com, where we've got a photo uploader. Upload the photo with some information about your plant, and we'll identify it for you. But yeah, very interesting plant here, and quite a rare site, so I thought we'd show it. But thanks very much for watching, and please subscribe, like and follow, and we'll speak to you soon. Thanks.